Ta-da! I'm back. I know. For those of you who don't even care, I don't know. But for those of you all care and wondering where I was and didn't film for so long, it's because my phone decided to bust out exactly 2 days after I uploaded my first video on YouTube. And yeah, I couldn't film or do anything. Even my Instagram was so inactive and I couldn't like post much pictures or whatever it is. But I managed to like strive through it. But yeah, finally here I am. And as you've read by the title, this is going to be something different. For the first time, I'm ever going to try vlogging, guys. And I have no experience, past experience in vlogging, so don't judge me, don't come at me. Uh, I'm trying my best. I'll do what I can, but I really like talking to the camera. It's fun. Like I really love doing that. So yeah. And it's gonna be fun because again, as you've read by the title, I am gonna be traveling. I'm traveling today. So obviously today in the sense or not when this video is probably uploaded. Today is the 17th. Yes, today is the 17th of September. So I'm traveling today. I am going finally back to my parents after so long. I have been wanting to go for so long, but I couldn't because of all these issues. Didn't have flights, and international flights were like suspended and stuff like that. So it was all a mess. I could have gone earlier when there were flights, but my college decided to not tell us anything much about our exams, so I was stuck here. But I am going. That is the good news now, and I'm super, super, super excited. I can't wait to see my parents, and you know, yeah. So this video is gonna be, I mean, this vlog is gonna be like fun because first thing I'm gonna be vlogging for the first time. Second thing I'm gonna be vlogging the entire journey from here to till I reach Bahrain. I'm going to Bahrain, guys. So yeah, and I'll try to show like few clips and stuff, and I try vlogging at the airport. I'm not sure how much of that is going to like be a success because again, vlogging the first time, I don't know, but I love embarrassing myself, so I probably would vlog. But if I'm not able to, like due to some self esteem issues, then but if you are seeing this video, then it did become a success. So trying to go for a month now. Happened like so like quickly. It happened all of a sudden. The least when I was expecting it, it happened. So that's a good thing. So I am almost done packing. Now I guess it's like almost 2:35 p.m. and I have to leave for the airport at 6:30 p.m. And I still have a few things to pack, which I'm trying to get into it. And as you can see, you might be like, oh my god, we have never seen Kavya like this. Like, this is a real me, guys. I thought like I wouldn't be comfortable coming in front of the camera with anything, like without makeup or whatever it is. But I can. Yeah, so I can. And my imperfect but yet perfect face. Yes. Try to, I really don't like, see, the thing with me is I love makeup because makeup is just like an add on. It's not going to like do anything like totally different to your face. But yeah, I like doing makeup because makeup gives me happiness. So I like doing makeup for that reason, not because I don't like my face or like I am insecure about my imperfections and stuff. So that's it. So anyways, I forgot to say, I'm new to this, guys. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my family, like this video, and oh, comment down below what you guys want to do for Corona. Like, what am I saying? What you guys would want to do after Corona gets over, or what are you guys most waiting for? I have been waiting the most to meet my parents, meet my friends, everybody. So hopefully. So yeah, I'll show you guys a bit of my packing mess, which I'm sure most of you don't want to see, but still, vlogging is like, it's normal things, guys. It isn't something fancy, so I'll be just showing you around the things and what I'm wearing to the airport. a little OOTD. Yeah, I sound such like a cliche YouTuber. Eh. Okay, I'm so not used to saying that, but yeah, and yeah, I'm also taking all the precautions. So the thing is, when I reach the Bahrain airport, we're also it's mandatory for us to like pay money for two of the COVID tests. I'll be explaining you in detail all the procedures for those who want to like travel like during the pandemic or something to Bahrain, or I don't know about other countries, but I can tell you what's happening with Bahrain. So I'll tell you guys what all is to be done if anybody has like any doubts or stuff, and I'll also be sharing my experience. So yeah, so I'll meet you guys after some time. Probably like around maybe 4:30 because I'll just start packing then again, just a little bit of the rest of the stuff. So yeah, bye bye. Ooh, okay, so guys, I'm back and now um my bags are here. I'll show you guys. As you guys can see, there's one bag here, one bag there, and this is also a mess. There's a random lace packet here. Sanitizer, don't forget. My handbag, my PP kit just in case, my laptop. There are a few books which I need to take, and yeah. So as you guys saw, it's almost done, but there are yet few things that I need to take. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. Oh, yes, I'm glowing. So as you guys saw, like I have two bags and one more, which I'm gonna keep as hand luggage or something, I don't know. And yeah, there are a few masks and stuff that I'll be like putting it again like somewhere else. But also, I'll show you. This is my pant and my shirt, which I'll show you guys. Obviously, when I wear it, I'll show you guys what I'll be wearing. Oh, that's a mirror, as you guys can see. So yeah. Oh. Hey guys, so finally I'm at the airport right now. I just had to go through a lot of troubles. I mean, I don't think everybody will have to go through the same trouble. It was some personal issues, but yeah. I have all my precautions. I have worn two masks actually. I have gloves on my hand, and right now I'm sitting at the gate. And yeah, I'll show you guys. The airport is like literally empty. It took like a lot of time for us to like go through all the procedures and stuff. They're being extra careful. And now I'm just waiting for my flight. It's only 9:30. My flight is actually at 12:15, so it's going to be a very long wait. And I'll show you guys the airport. So as you guys can see, this is literally the airport. It's so empty, like nobody is there. Uh, yeah, it's like so silent. See, there's nobody next to me. As you can see, it's like completely empty. And I am taking all the precautions, and yeah, it's completely empty. And yeah, here's my luggage. Here's my baggy bag, and yeah. Hey guys, so finally, as you can see, I've turned into a I don't know what do I look like. I look like I'm probably going to go into the outer space, and And I'm working with NASA, but yeah, finally here's my outfit. Here's what I look like. There's a cap, which I'm not gonna wear now. I'll wear it later. I'll show you how it looks though. Looks like, oh my god, it's really hard for me to like do it with one hand because it's like so stiff. See, it's not like even reaching. I'm like attempting to do it, but yeah, let's just. My hair is a complete mess. I've just tied it up into a bun because I know it's gonna be super hot. And yeah, this is what I look like. This is completely weird. And yeah, our flight's gonna like start. We're gonna start boarding in like quite a few time. So I'll see you guys then, and I'll show you around a bit. Oh, also, a quick note that I wanted to give you. Wearing this PPE kit makes me realize how many doctors and nurses are like, doing a tremendous sacrifice by wearing this for like hours and hours and like working hard. I actually want to give a big hats off to all those, first line safety health workers who have to go through this and serve people and take care of them. So yeah, I will see you guys later. And I'm like vlogging is like really weird for me because I haven't like actually ever vlogged. So people are like looking at me, they're like, what am I doing? I'm talking to myself with a camera in front of me, which is kind of weird. But since I have a mask on, nobody knows who I am, so that is good. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys later and bye bye. Hey guys, finally I am at the Idaharan airport. As you can see, my hair is a little messed up. I have done my. They took my samples. They took my like swabs and stuff. It was so uneasy. Like if you're doing for the first time, uh, yeah, it is pretty. It's okay. It's not that bad, but yeah, same for people who don't have like experiencing experience taking swabs. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to talk in this mask. So now I have to go to the immigration and I have to collect my bags. uh, Basically this hall is completely empty, and the service there was really good. They gave us food and stuff, and they took care of all the precautions. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I'm like trying maximum. As you can see, the hallway behind me is completely empty. So, yeah, I'm trying to like. I'm still in my PPE kit. I'll remove it once the immigration is done, I guess. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye bye. Hey guys, so finally I am home. Um, I'm finally home, and it feels so great. Actually, this is the next day. Like I couldn't vlog yesterday when I reached because difficulties, and it was too chaotic with all my unpacking and things like that. So I couldn't vlog really yesterday, and I got my result. It came out negative, so that is a good sign. And I was actually too busy with my assignments, things to do, and stuff like that. And yeah, so I am home and I'm so happy. Finally, I'm with my parents, so it feels good. So I'll tell you the general procedure that I went through. So in Cochin Airport, there wasn't much formalities. It was just like almost like um, they just check your temperature, and yeah, everyone was wearing a PPE kit. So if anybody is like looking forward to traveling, please wear a PPE kit. Make sure you have all your precautions and safety measures taken. And the thing was, for in Gulf Air, there was no like social distancing. I don't know why that happened. That's like really weird when I think about it. It was just like almost everyone was sitting close, close, close. Like I had the middle seat, and there were two ladies, like, on either side of me. So that happened, and we did get like snacks. We had like sandwich and like nuts. Yeah. And their service was good, but the only thing I didn't understand is why did they, like, have social distancing on a flight, which is weird. Because when you like have to eat, you obviously have to remove your mask, and everyone was, you know. So I was a little scared about that, and also since I had the middle seat, I was a little more panicked, but it was fine. And then when I reached Varan airport, first they like took us through all the procedure. If you haven't like paid like 60 dinars for the test, then you can pay it there. I had paid earlier, so you need to have the Be Aware app when you come here. So I had already downloaded it and registered, and I had paid through that. So that's why we like didn't take much time. So they like walked us through the steps, and actually, it wasn't that like tedious, right? Like I thought it would take a lot of time for like, I had to go like shift from counters to counters. Like, first like three people almost check with if you have like, you know, have the app, you have it registered, you have paid and stuff, and then finally like they, make you shift counters. Like first they like register with your CPR number, and they take your passport and check it, and then they give you these stickers, which is like, you have to fill some application forms. Like you have to fill an application form. Yeah, that is important. It's a declaration form, so that you have to fill it up, and yeah, you get to keep like two copies of it. They take one of it, and yeah, swab, as I told you, it was kind of weird because when they took my swab, I was like, it was really, it burned a lot because they had like, obviously you need to like go like really deep to get the swab like correctly. So yeah, they did like go pretty deep, and I had like tears and stuff. But the health workers were really sweet. They were really like, good. Yeah, so it went on like pretty easy, and then yeah, I just had to like go get my bags. Like the bags were already like down there because only one flight was there that day, and that was like our flight. So that happened, and yeah, I got out and I removed my PPE and I disposed it safely because they like there were like other people who had like a bag, and like they helped us dispose it and stuff. So that is that. So yeah, and then I reached home. I took bath immediately because that is important because I don't want to like give anything to my parents um, because you have to be extra precautious about that and stuff. So I took bath, and then yeah, it was all busy yesterday, but right now I am chilling. I have some assignments to do. Yeah. That is it, guys. This is my vlog, and I am finally again. I am back home. I'm so happy, and yeah. So I hope you all guys are staying safe. If anybody is, planning to travel anytime soon, I hope this was helpful. So anyways, if you like this video, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of my family. And also comment down below, as I told you, where do you want to go the most after this corona or the pandemic is over? Or if you found this video helpful. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.